Hi, this is Mrs. Rebecca. A little bit ago, we were talking about how to use your voice to type on the screen using the voice typing tool. Right now, I'm going to show you a tool that can help you read the words that are already on the screen. This can help you to read directions that might be on an assignment. It can help you check your work after you've had the computer type for you. You can even use it to help you read things on websites or other programs. It's not a tool that's right here in Documents, it's in your Chromebook settings. It can be a little complicated to walk through all of these steps, so it's okay if you want to pause and find somebody to help you with this. On the bottom of your screen, sometimes you'll have a little gear shape. This is your settings menu. Mine is not posted here at the bottom, so I have to go over here and open up this part of my menu. You can see it's right here. It's this blue gear that says settings. If it wasn't here, I could click into the search box and type settings and it would find it for me. It's right here though, so I'm going to click settings. Here's my settings. We want an advanced setting, so we're going to open up this menu that's here at the bottom. And we're going to scroll down. We want where this person is. This says accessibility. Accessibility means something that helps you access or helps you use something. We want the tool that will help us access or use the words on the screen in an easier way. So I'm going to click accessibility and it opens up this menu. We want to manage accessibility features. This is where we'll be able to turn on what we need. So I'm going to open this menu. Here it says that we want to enable select to speak. That means that we're going to be able to highlight the words on the screen and then the computer will read them to us. So we want to turn this on. When you turn this on, it gives you some other options. If you decide after you hear the voice that you want it to be a little slower or a little louder, you can adjust that back here. I'm going to keep it just the way that it comes so that you can hear what that will sound like. So now that we've opened up Select to Speak, I can go back to our document. Before we had typed, "Hello, today is Monday," by talking into the computer and it did the typing for us. I wanted to just check and make sure that the computer did exactly what I told it to. So I'm going to highlight the sentence. In order to have the computer read it, there's a button on your computer that looks like a little magnifying glass. It's called the search button. I want you to push search and S at the same time to turn it on.
Hello, today is Monday.
When I pushed the search button and the S, it read what I highlighted. I had wanted the computer to type "Hello, today is Monday." And when the computer read it back to me, the exact words were there that I wanted. It's a good way to check your work and make sure that the computer heard you right when you were dictating to it. It's also just a good way to hear the words on the screen. It can help you understand what's going on a little bit better. If I wanted to go back and change the settings again to make it a little slower, a little faster, I would just go back down here to the same place and change how it is. It was fast enough and it was loud enough for me to understand what it was saying, so I'm going to leave it there for now. It takes a little getting used to. Just practice. If you have any questions, I'm always here. Feel free to ask.